Hello subscriber, today our topic are what is the function of a choke in a tube light. The function of a choke is provide the high voltage enough for a ionization to take place in a tube light after the establishment and the substitution of ionization limits the voltage across the tube. That is the reason why a tube fuses when the choke is shorted. This statement is clearly explained about that the function of a choke is provide the high voltage or enough voltage for ionization take place in a tube light and also establish the high voltage for a choke to the tube light to cover if the tube light has been shorted. The purpose of a choke is provide a very high voltage initially between the filament across the two ends of a tube light. Again, once gas is tube and ionization in the choke provide a low voltage. Means if when a tube light has been energized and the completely inner gas has been ionized properly, then the choke will provide the voltage level has been already low when the torque has been done. A choke is a coil of a wire, fluorescent tube lamp are filled with mercury vapors. They use the electric charge to excite the mercury atom in order to produce ultraviolet light. A glow starter, or commonly known as a starter, is used in a tube light circuit to provide an initial current filament of a tube light. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep surprise me. I will provide the video like this. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep surprise me. And also if you have any required any topic, please comment below. I will be provide topic as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video.